So the bad news in this question is we need to find the ratio of two areas of two different triangles. The good news is that both of these triangles are right triangles, and not only that, one of their legs is the same because this is a rectangle. So if we're going to build a ratio for these areas, we just have half of one product divided by half of the other product. The half and the half can get reduced, and also those side legs can get reduced since they're the same. So all we really need in order to find this ratio is just the ratio of AE to EB, and statement 2 clearly provides that ratio for us, whereas statement 1 does not. So by rephrasing the question ahead of time, we can very quickly evaluate these statements and say that statement 2 is sufficient on its own, but statement 1 is not, and therefore the correct answer is B. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.